I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming who the family organizer is and selecting the direct channel to use. Clarity prevents confusion. Once done, gather the essentials: account name, last 4 card digits, and which billing platform the family plan uses. Then choose a short, respectful message that states the request and a deadline. You do this because specific facts and a single channel make it easy for the organizer to act quickly without chasing detail. You write and send a concise message that tells the organizer exactly what to change and when. This reduces friction. Make sure to include step-by-step instructions or paste the direct settings link if the service supports it, so they don't search. Offer one concrete way to assist, like, "I can call while you update," and request a quick confirmation when finished. This combination of clarity and offer of help raises the likelihood of prompt action. You follow up politely after the deadline to confirm the update and check the family billing page for the renewed charge or active status. If the organizer can't update, propose immediate alternatives like adding a temporary card or you covering one cycle while they fix it. If they report technical failure, advise the simple troubleshooting step. Sign out, clear cache, then sign back in before retrying. This often resolves session or payment token issues without escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.